Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I am not going to take the trades, but I will explain you all that what kind of candlestick we are going to get. So at this area we will get here a bullish candle. You will see here a bullish candlestick in this situation, because you can see here it is a momentum now. The sellers are becoming weak. It is a reversal candle and therefore the next candle will close here as a bullish candle. So I have drawn a level here. You can see here it is a seller's entry. Market broke the level. Market is exactly at the level, so therefore market is trying to go up and market is making here higher highs. So if there is a gap, and this candle will lead the next candle also to go up. So for me the next candle will be a bullish candlestick 100%. Why? You can see here, if you analyze this market, this is an engulfing candlestick and it is making a new high. The minor trend, the minor movement of the trend is higher high movement. So therefore the next level is here and right now market is here. So because of this situation market will go up. You can see here I am talking about this situation. So the next level is here and market closed here. So therefore the next candle will definitely close here as a bullish candlestick. And also I predict this candlestick, the previous one, it closed here as a bullish because there was a level and there was also a buyer's entry from this point. You can see here. So our both predictions are going perfectly here. So you can see here market closed here. So on the left side you can see here we are seeing here a bearish momentum, but I will wait here. Okay, you can get a win if you take your trade here with margin of safety with 5 seconds, but you need to see each and everything. Right now what I am seeing here that buyers are still trying and sellers are still trying to go down. Buyers are trying to move this candlestick up, so I need to wait. Okay, sellers are entering into the market strongly. Okay, so the next candle will be a bearish candlestick 100%. Okay, so the next candle will close here as a bearish. The running candle will go down. Why? Because you can see here this is an engulfing candlestick. The next level is here, and because of this strongness of the candlestick the next candle will close here as a bearish. So market will definitely go down because we are predicting the market very effectively. So now what I need to do, okay, this is the level. Okay, so now again what I'm seeing here, you can see here a buyer's rejection. Now you can see here rejection from the buyers. So if the candle closes here the next candle will go up from this zone, otherwise the next candle will also come down. So let's see. Okay, so the next candle will go down again. It is a sign of continuation here. This candlestick is a sign of continuation with a new low, and the level is here and here. So because of this the next candle will also close here as a bearish. So let's see. Okay, okay, we will get here a candle like this here at this area like this, or we will get here a candle like this. Okay, but I'm predicting this candle to be closed here as a hammer candle. So let's see. Okay, my prediction is only for the bearish. That's it. Okay, market will go up after this candlestick. Okay, market can move up because you can see here a rejection, so it means that buyers are interested, but you need to analyze one thing more here, and the thing is that this candlestick broke the trend line also. Okay, so it's better to take your trade with 5 seconds. So okay, I need to check. I can easily go here with the buyers if there is 5 seconds. Okay, so now the market will close. Let me show you here. Market will close above this area for sure, because this is the 5 second. Okay, this is the 5 second. So if you get the situations, you can easily take your trade like this. So you can see buyers are moving in an up direction, and they are making the candlestick very strong. Okay, so now the next candle I need to check. Okay, the next candle can also come down, because you can see a strong bearish momentum. The first thing I am seeing here a rejection. I am seeing here that the candle closed at the level, so this is the level. Okay, so market can also go down from this point. So for me, the next candlestick I need to check. The next candlestick will definitely go down, because you are seeing here the 5 second also. So the candle will close here as a bearish. You can see here. Okay, so in this session I explained few candlestick by showing you all the levels. So it's better for you all that you need to analyze the market like this, because if you predict the candlesticks in this way, you can easily be in profit. So you need to check the 4 things which I told you. The first thing is that you need to focus on the trend. The first thing is trend. The second thing is you need to focus on the levels. The third thing is you need to check the rejections, and the fourth thing was that you need to check the body of the candlesticks. Okay, so therefore market can easily move according to your mindset, because if candles are going up and coming down, going up and coming down, and coming down and going up, so it is happening only because of one thing, and that thing is the psychology and the maths and the movement of the market. So you can see here these blocks are linked with the math, and you can easily see them here. These are the numbers. Okay, so this is based only on math. So because of the calculations, market is moving in an up or down direction. You need to focus on each and everything. So how can you say that the next candle can go up, this one? Then you need to calculate few things here. You need to focus on the trend. You need to focus on the rejection. So you can see the next candle will go up. The running candle again will close here as a bullish, because we are getting the information from these things. Okay, you can see a new high. Okay, let me show you here. This is an uptrend. Trend is an uptrend. Okay, the first thing. The second thing is level. There is no level. The third thing, rejection. Yes, you are seeing here a rejection. The fourth thing, the body of the candlestick is a weaker. You can see here a strong candlestick and a weak candlestick. So because of that, the market will close here as a bullish candlestick. So focus on these things. You will be in profit maximum and most of the times. So focus on these things and try to predict the candles like this. I think it is very much easy and not difficult for you all to predict the next candlestick. So now you can see here, we can also say that here we can get a double top pattern here in this situation, but again the main thing we need to calculate. So now I can easily say that the next candle will go up. Okay, I can easily say that the next candlestick will also go up again from this zone, because this candle is making a new high. Let me show you here the confirmations. The trend is an uptrend. Okay, the second thing I talked about, the level, there is no level. The third thing was that a rejection. I'm seeing here a rejection. Okay, now you can see this is the rejection. The fourth thing, the body is telling me that buyers are becoming stronger. If you want to add another thing, the fifth thing is that you are seeing here a new high. So because of these things you can be in profit easily. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. Try to help each other, and I'm very happy that I see a good conversation among the members in the group. So it is good, and help each other and try to clear the doubts. So I want you all to help each other again and again, and kindly, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead. And I want to draw the rules here. Okay, again I want to draw the rules here clearly. The first thing is you need to focus on the trend. The second thing is you need to focus on the level. The third thing is you need to focus on the rejections. The fourth thing is you need to focus on the body of the candlestick. The fifth thing you can also add is the new highs. And the new lows. So these are the rules to always predict the next candlestick, and it will help you all to get a good winning result. So stay blessed you all. Share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram, and also you can join our group on Telegram. And stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now.